The Department of Meteorology today stated that showers can be expected in parts of the western, Sabaragamu and central provinces and in the Puttalam, Gaul and Mathura districts during the next 36 hours. Meanwhile, it is expected that showers or thunder showers will occur at a few places in the Uva province and in the Hambantota, Bariklo and Ampara during this time. The Met Department also cautioned that wind speeds could increase up to 40 km per hour at times in the north-central, northwestern, southern provinces and warned the general public to take adequate precautions to minimize damages caused by temporary localized strong winds and lightning during downpours. However, despite the heavy rains, Sri Lanka has been experiencing intense heat conditions during the day. Similarly, Sri Lanka's immediate neighbour India has been experiencing severe heat conditions affecting around 15 states. AdaDerana English News inquired the Department of Meteorology on concerns of heat conditions building up in Sri Lanka as well.
That is actually normal condition we can expect in the intermonsoon period. Daytime we are getting more sun rays because now there is the OS sun is very closer to the Sri Lanka latitude. So during daytime we are getting more cloud-free sky. So therefore we have some uncomfortable during the daytime. So in the evening, so we can expect some convective activities with the thunder shower. Not the heat wave conditions like in India. So that is far from the Sri Lanka area. That heat wave condition not affecting the Sri Lanka. So we are getting some intermonsoon weather conditions during April and May. So we are getting always that type of weather condition in the Sri Lanka area because during this period our atmosphere is generally warm and some humid. So therefore we are getting some uncomfortable condition and more sun rays during the daytime.